Okay, Florida Explorer here. We're at Cass, West Virginia. Cass Scenic Railroad State Park. We're behind the old Sawmill ruins. Sawmill burnt down some time ago and left these ruins. This is a restricted area. I think we're actually in the restricted area right now. I passed a sign back there that said restricted area, do not enter, but just sort of followed this little path, which kind of ends right here. They quit mowing right here. There's just all kind of amazing things in there. You can see some of it through the weeds, but we're not going to go any further up into those weeds or into the buildings or anything like that. I'm sure a lot of people have. I have the lovely research assistant with me, so I don't get in any trouble by going into any of those buildings. There's a couple of decent looking little paths through here. So once they would have gotten the wood, the trees down out of the mountains to this point, they would have milled it right here. The whole operation, from rough wood to finished wood. They had a lathing operation, standard rough sawmill operation. So they would have turned the wood into whatever, raw building materials or finely laid flooring or whatever it might have been, and then trucked it on down to market, on down to the cities. Bunch of machinery that's got left. Oh my gosh, Brenda's still talking to this state employee guy. Keeping him distracted while I come back here. Of course, he was just out mowing. There aren't any guards or anyone out here. Pretty cool area right there. we're on the front side of this part of it. Oh, there's a good big old foundation or something. Seen a lot of these over the years. It's leftover foundations. And these are serious ruins here too. Nobody's touched any of this stuff for years. Incredible. We've seen a lot of these in Florida with these kind of plates like this right here. Basically holding the track onto the tie, the rail onto the tie. And here we get a view of the front part of this ruin. Not sure what these foundations would be for. Be used for. The remains of the mill were destroyed by fire in 1982. So this was abandoned in 1942 as an operation. And built in 1910. The first one was built in 1902. Oh wow, yeah, cool. Man, this is just incredible stuff. Man, they just left it lock, stock, and barrel. Nobody's touched this in 70, 80 years.
He said they made tongue and groove wood here and like wood flooring type stuff. He worked here 5 years.
That guy worked here?
5 years.
Wow.
Today's his last day of work.
Is that right?
He's retiring to the state. Today's it.
Wow. He must be like 90.
His birthday was last week and he was 79. Ask me.
Oh, okay. It says the entire operation closed at the end of June 1960, so I was wrong. He quit it. Okay. So then that makes sense. He could have worked here. During that time, he would have been young, though. Very young. This is phenomenal. From a ruin standpoint, this is just incredible. I mean, he just left this stuff. Boom. Been sitting here since 1960. Incredible.